Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2013 Ford F-150? How can you find the right fuse when troubleshooting electrical issues? In this guide, we'll explore the 2013 Ford F-150 fuse box diagram and location to help you easily identify and replace fuses. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel is typically located under the dashboard or behind a trim panel. It houses fuses that protect interior electrical systems like the radio, power windows, and interior lights. Each fuse is color-coded and rated for specific circuits. Auxiliary relay box. The auxiliary relay box contains additional relays not housed in the main fuse box, typically supporting secondary systems like trailer tow, fuel pump, or HVAC controls. It provides circuit protection and control for these added electrical components. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution box is usually located in the engine compartment and manages high current circuits. It contains fuses and relays for vital systems like the ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fans. This box ensures safe power delivery to essential engine components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.